So in this problem we have to find the value of k. It is given that the function is continuous at x is equals to 2. So solution. So from the definition of continuity, what we can say, so since it is continuous at the point 2, left hand limit, so left hand limit is limit x tends to 2 minus f of x should be equals to right hand limit, that is limit x tends to 2 plus f of x, so that is equals to the value of the function at the point 2. So all these should be equals, then only what we can say the function is continuous at the point 2. So here we can compute the right hand limit as well as the value of the function at the point 2, and if you equate and if you simplify we can find the value of k. So since here, see here, right hand limit means we are considering the second definition, and the value of the function at the point 2 means we are considering first definition. So compute the right hand limit. So right hand limit is equals to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x, that is same as limit h tends to 0 f of 2 plus h. So whenever right hand limit means we are considering the second definition. So f of x is equals to 3 if x is greater than 2. So f of 2 plus h also becomes how much? It is also 3 because it is a constant function. So limit h tends to 0 f of 2 plus h is 3. So if you substitute the limit we get 3. So right hand limit we obtained as 3. Now let us compute the value of the function at the point 2. So f of x is equals to kx square if x is equals to 2 also. So whenever x is less than or equals to 2, f of x is kx square. So x is equals to 2, what happens? F of x value is kx square. So f of x is equals to kx square, or f of 2 becomes how much? F of 2 becomes k into 2 square, that is 4. So since it is continuous at the point 2, so we can equate right hand limit as well as the functional value at the point 2. So we can write right hand limit is equals to f of 2. So we obtained right hand limit is equals to 3, that is equals to f of 2. F of 2 means 4 into k, or k value becomes 3 by 4. So thank you.